So, finally getting around to cleaning the outside of the bus. Put some spray on it first. It hasn't had a clean for a very long time. So I was gonna, while it was a bit of a drizzly day, I thought I'll get the outside done and then I've got to get the inside hoovered. So I better shut the door. Not perfect, but it's a damn sight cleaner than it was. So now for the big job, inside. We've had a quick spruce up as we got caught out by a week. But yeah, this is, so I've finally got the other set of chairs turned around and we've added a bit of flag to the centre. Shame we didn't have enough to go to the end. It is what it is. But yeah, so you can come in there, sit down, and you got a good view of what's going on outside. And then we've got the camera, vlogging room, and the hot seat of the barber's chair, which has now got its footrest on as well. So it's turned sideways as the footrest sticks halfway across the room. But yeah, all looking good now. Even somewhere to put your helmets.